Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. May I now invite our respected director, Mr. Mohammad Azam sir, to formally welcome the gathering and set the tone for today's proceedings.
Assalamu alaikum, good morning, namaste, shashakar to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to today's legal awareness program on professional advocacy skills, a timely and crucial theme that holds great relevance in the dynamic world of legal practice. On behalf of the management and staff of the Islamic College of Law, I extend a heartfelt welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Khaja Vizarat Ali sir, Secretary of the Telangana High Court, Advocate Association, and former Assistant Public Prosecutor of the High Court. Sir, your presence here is an honor for us and a source of immense inspiration to our building legal professions. We are also privileged to be guided constantly by our chairman, sir, Dr. Awais Ahmed sir, whose commitment to legal education is reflected in every stride our institution takes forward. A warm welcome to our principal, staff, and all the faculty members whose dedication to monitoring and teaching forms the backbone of this institution. And of course, to my all dear students, the future of the legal professions, welcome and congratulations for being part of this meaningful and dialogue day. I hope today's session enriches our understanding and inspires us to elevate our advocacy practices with professionalism, ethics and skills. By this, I will stop my speech. Thank you. Thanks a lot for gathering here for one more. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and vision. I now request our esteemed chairman, Dr. Awais Ahmed, sir, to address the audience. His leadership and commitment to legal education and to guide the growth of this institution. I kindly, sir, please join.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. I think some of the students are thinking that even it's second Saturday, we have to be here. थोड़ों के चेहरे बता रहे हैं. So no problem. Anyhow, second Saturdays आते जाते रहते हैं. But the main thing is कौन से दिन हम क्या सीखने को मिल रहा है. That is more important for us. Even it's second Saturday or Sunday. अगर किसी दिन हमको सीखने को ज़्यादा मिल रहा है तो क्यों ना हम जल्दी उठ के जाने में मज़ा है उसमें और it will be a different day for us. And let's come back to our topic now. तो first of all I would like to thank विज़ारत अली सर. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया जो आपने अपना वक्त दिया है और यहाँ पर आए हैं. Being a very busy person and believe me, मैं जब भी हाई कोर्ट जाता हूँ कुछ केस के रिलेटेड किसी हाल बिना सर से मिले के मैं वहाँ से नहीं हटता हूँ मैं. एंड आई नोटिस एवरी टाइम के सर इतना बिजी होते हैं और मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी वहाँ होती है जब सर को सामने जो चेयर पे जज होता है, हर जज चाहे कौन से भी कोर्ट में रहने दीजिए, सर को अपने नाम से जानता है जज. सो जज जब बोलता है यस मिस्टर विज़ारत अली व्हाट इज़ योर काउंटर बोल के बोलता है तो अच्छा लगता है कि भाई एक पर्सनालिटी जो हमारे बीच बैठी है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा मशहूर है. एंड बिलीव मी आई नोटिस्ड मैनी टाइम कि जब भी हाई कोर्ट में कोई भी दूसरे एडवोकेट्स को कुछ भी एडवाइस होना आता है तो दे विल कम डायरेक्टली टू सर. मैंने खुद अपने आँखों से देखा है ये. वो लोग आते हैं, सर से पूछते हैं कि फ़लाने का काउंटर क्या देना है, फ़लाने के उस पर काउंटर में क्या मेंशन करना है, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। वो देखकर काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंस्पायर होता है हम सबको। सो व्हाट वी प्लान इज़ कि कल आप लोग जब हाई कोर्ट प्रैक्टिस के लिए जाएंगे या कोई भी कोर्ट प्रैक्टिस के लिए जाएंगे तो इस तरह के सीनियर्स अगर आपके सामने रहेंगे तो 100% आप लोगों को सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलेगा। अवॉइड करते हैं लाइक
Thank you, sir, for your empowering message and continued guidance.
It is with a great pride and honor that I now invite our chief guest, Mr. Khaja Wizarat Ali sir, an acclaimed legal practitioner, respected mentor and secretary of Telangana High Court Advocate Association. He will now speak to us on the core theme of today's program, professional advocacy skills. Let's listen keenly and take notes from his vast reservoir of experience. Please welcome, sir.
Good morning, Assalamu alaikum and namaskaram to everyone. I think Telugu వచ్చేవాళ్ళు కూడా ఉన్నట్టున్నారు ఇక్కడ. Yes, Hindi and English. I will try to explain in all languages. First of all, I have to introduce myself. I am Khaja Wizarat Ali. I studied in Anvarum Law College, Evening College. I complete my law in the year of 2001 and enrolled as an advocate in 2002. Subsequently, I joined in the office of Chilumula Pratap Reddy, who was the public prosecutor of High Court for 10 years, where he was practicing in Sangareddy Court in Medak district earlier. In 2002 to 2005, I seriously practiced. After that 4 years, I neglected the practice. Since 2009 to 2014, I fully participated in Telangana movement. I never felt single wakalat in that 5 years. After that, Telangana formation, TRS government appointed me as a assistant public prosecutor in High Court. What I am saying, I studied complete in government school in Telugu medium till degree also. Complete Telugu medium. Then my father wishes to, I want to become a advocate. Because of my father, I studied and worked hard. What happened when I joined in Anvarum College? While exams are comes, you know the Gathe Veera Reddy. Nowadays you don't know Gathe Veera. Earlier Gathe Veera Reddy books, Sujata Law books. Sujata Law books. That is price only 60 rupees. In that book, they given only 20 question answers. In those days, only 5 we have to give the answer to the 5 questions. Each question 20 marks. Then we read that book only, studied, and finally we passed. After that, I joined in office. The advocate must try to, after completion of the education, try to start practicing trial courts. Trial courts is a basement. When మనం ఎప్పుడైతే ఇల్లు కట్టాలనుకుంటున్నామో బేస్మెంట్ తవ్వుతాం కదా, అలాంటిది ట్రయల్ కోర్ట్. If you practice directly in High Court, this is very difficult to understand the proceedings. I appointed 2014 assistant prosecutor. Before that, in 2013, one my friend, I used to go to the High Court occasionally. One day my friend says, Wizarat, please, my case is reaching in other court. Please go and ask the judge to, sir, kindly pass over the matter. I couldn't understand what he said. And I fear I can't represent earlier before the court. When that case, my friend's case is reaching, I came out from the court. I never represented. He said, what happened? No, I received one call, because of that I came out. So after that, when I became a assistant public prosecutor. My senior said, PP said, you go and sit in the 482 provision. 482 provision you know very well. That is a quash. Okay? I asked sir, what is the meaning of quash? He laughed. He said, petitions filed by the persons to quash that FIR or charge sheet any order. సార్ నేను ఆ కోర్టులో కూర్చోగలను సార్. ఫస్ట్ టైం హైకోర్టులో సార్ ట్రయల్ కోర్టు నుంచి వచ్చిన మెజిస్ట్రేట్ కోర్టు నుంచి నేను ఆ కోర్టులో కూర్చోగలంటే యుజారత్ యూ కెన్, నువ్వు కూర్చోగలవు, నాకు ఆ నమ్మకం ఉంది. హీ సెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ డే ఇన్ 2024 August I appeared nearly 4 lakhs cases. 4 lakhs cases against not only these judge advocates. I appear before against number of Supreme Court senior judges, all what Siddharth Luthra, Gopala Subramaniam and Kapil Sibal, all are, when I'm assistant public prosecutor, they came to the court and argued the matters. I remember one matter, Vodafone case, Towers case, Gopala Subramaniam, he is a senior advocate of the Supreme Court. He came to the Hyderabad. Per appearance 70 lakhs for him. One appearance 70 lakhs. For each junior 2 lakhs. And accommodation at Falaknuma Palace. He stayed here for 7 days. Argued the matter in crime stage for 7 days. He taken nearly 14 crores or 15 crores of fee. After completion of his argument, Justice Shivshankar Rao, one of the judge, asked me, what do you say, Mr. Public Prosecutor? I said, my lordship, I heard his argument. He is rightly all pointed out, but it's a matter of investigation, sir. It's a crime stage only. Let them investigate the police, whether then only truth will comes out. The judge dismissed the petition. So what I am saying, being an advocate, we have, if any clients come to you, generally మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఒక క్లయింట్ अपने पास आए तो अपन क्या करते, पूरा कंप्लेंट पढ़ते, पूरा कंप्लेंट पढ़ के पढ़ते. बट वे आर प्रैक्टिसिंग ए गुड एडवोकेट, प्रैक्टिस के लिए द रीडिंग ऑफ कंप्लेंट इज that much not necessary. We have to see the sections, what given sections is imposed by the police, whether that sections are attract or not, we have to see. For example, I will say, anybody come and slap you on, see, police register the 307, you argue you after observing the complaint, देख के बोले अरे उन्हें ते लोगों के सामने मारा, ये ने मारते खुद ये लोग थे, वो लोग थे. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है आपको. Whether 307 attract us not, what is the ingredient for 307? Intention to kill. Slapping is not an intention to kill. Recently Supreme Court number of judgments said, even if you stab anyone, that intention must be killed. If you stab on soldier, that is not attack 307. But police said he used the weapon, deadly weapon. That is 307. No. Supreme Court recently said the weapon also important, but choosing the part of body. If you want to kill, you definitely stab in heart or brain or anywhere, immediately he will die. That is the law. Facts of the case, we have to see the whether section attract or not. Generally in High Court advocates see only that only. If you take the brief to the senior advocate, sir ये case में ऐसा हुआ, ऐसा कुछ भी देखते, whether legally attracts or not is a question. Okay. Next, if your clients come, clients कितना बताइए ना, उन्हें जितना भी बोले अपन सुन लेना, उसके सामने बहस नहीं करना, अपनी बहस सिर्फ कोर्ट में करना, क्लाइंट के सामने नहीं करना. अब आजकल ऐसा हो गया, एडवोकेट ना रेडी रहते, दूसरे भी अपने पास निकलता हुआ और एक के पास जाके सजेशन लेते. सो क्लाइंट के साथ अपन तो उसके साथ उन्हें जो भी बोला सुनना, अपना करने का अपन करना. अब ये प्रोफेशनल एडवोकेसी स्किल, ये तो हर प्रोफेशन में रहता, ये तो हर प्रोफेशन में है। तो इसके लिए एडवोकेट को क्या ज़रूरी है, व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड एडवोकेट, हिज प्रोफेशनल एडवोकेट स्किल्स इज रिक्वायर्ड। यहाँ पे जो पढ़ रहे हैं आप, ये पढ़ाई आपको एक लॉ, एक स्ट्रक्चर के लिए आपको मालूम होने के लिए इट्स यूजफुल फॉर यू। आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ द लॉ, एडवोकेट क्या करना, कैसा कैरियर स्टार्ट करना, इसे इंपॉर्टेंट। उसके लिए क्या करना है अपने को, रिसर्च, लॉ रिसर्च करने का है। आजकल तो बहुत इजी हो गया लॉ, जब हम पढ़ते वक्त बुक्स रहते थे उसमें पूरा ढूंढना पड़ता था। आज आपको जो ज़रूरी है वो मारो, आपको मिल जा रहा। लॉ कौन सा सेक्शन अट्रैक्ट होता, ये कंप्लेंट ये है, इसको कौन सा अट्रैक्ट हो रहा अपने को, आप पूछो बोल दे रहा आजकल। बट हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट बिफोर द कोर्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट बिफोर द कोर्ट इज इम्पोर्टेंट। अपन जज को कैसा कन्विंस करना चाह रहे हैं वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है। सो advocacy is very important after completion of your education. You must start from trial courts. अब एग्जाम्पल आप, मैं थोड़े से आपको ट्रायल कोर्ट में गए तो क्या सीख सकते बोलते हो एग्जाम्पल। आप हाई कोर्ट में डायरेक्ट एक क्रिमिनल एडवोकेट है, आप हाई कोर्ट में तो डायरेक्ट आप नहीं सीख सकते। आप वही क्रिमिनल कोर्ट को गए, व्हाट इज क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन, व्हाट इज चीफ एग्जामिनेशन, व्हाट इज 317 पिटिशन, व्हाट इज NBW रिकॉल, व्हाट इज मेंटेनेंस केस, what is 127, what is 128 CR, talking about the earlier provisions, not in PNS, PNS is not in prison. ये सीख सकते हैं आप, ये बेसिक है। How to file the bail petition, what is the bailable offences, what is the non-bailable offences, surety कैसा फर्निश करना, ये बेसिक सीखे तो आप हाई कोर्ट में यू कैन आर्ग्यू इन हाई कोर्ट आल्सो वेरी इजी। What is 311 petition, what is 309 petition, ये सब सीखना ज़रूरी है लॉ के लिए आपको। अब आपको, आप हाई कोर्ट में भी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे कोई, तो कोई आपको रेफ़र करे ट्रायल कोर्ट से केस, somebody is referred case to you, one petition and dismiss 311, but you have to know what is 311 first, recall petition. So we have to search for that judgments. Number of judgments, when I am assistant public prosecutor, nearly 50 to 60 reported judgments in my name also. Like domestic violence case there, whether domestic violence case is maintainable in quash or not. Then I argued the matter in the 2015 before one Durga Prasad judge, the reportable judgment that Gidaduri case Harikumar sub judgment, court said no, for DVC domestic violence is civil in nature, it's not a criminal, 482 is not maintainable. Subsequently some number of cases, Gaddamidi Nagamani, and number of cases reported that what is required in criminal cases, what is required in civil cases, how to advocate argue. In when I am practicing in legal, I 2009 to 14, I never filed any wakalat, but I appear as a legal aid counsel in Gadwin Magistrate Court. By that year also, I learned as a legal aid counsel, appear for the jail accused. They produce from the jail. The court appointed us as a legal aid counsel. In, I think in trial courts also, in high court also, they will appoint the legal aid counsel. Even though I work hard and search the judgments, trial court advocates are a good artist. In high court only we argue on the papers, you know very well. But in trial courts, we search the law most. How to conduct the cross-examination, how to conduct the chief examination, how to argue the matter. This all we can learn in the trial courts itself. And when I'm practicing in Sangareddy Court, I appeared in bails also. Subsequently in High Court, you know very well the Naeem gang cases, Naeem. In all cases, I am the public prosecutor. And Ayub Khan cases, Naeem cases, and subsequently when Goa's drug mafia case, and Paritala Ravi is a, factionist of the faction murdered by the Suri, that case. In number of cases appeared. Even though, what I am saying, even though I studied in Telugu medium, without fear, confidence is important. Confidence is important. అరే నాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదు, హైకోర్టులో నిలబడ్డా, మరి నాకు ఎలా అని నేను ఎప్పుడు భయపడ్డా, ధైర్యంతో పోయినా నాకు వచ్చే విధంగానే. బట్ ఏ విధంగా చెప్పాలన్నా ఏం చేయాలన్నా ఒక రెస్పెక్ట్గా చెప్తే బాగుంటుంది అంతే. సో ఫర్ దట్ యు నో వెరీ వెల్ ది You know the Nariman, senior advocate, in his one book, he written that before memory fades, one of his book, he's written number of books, Nariman written number of books. In that one of the book, before memory fades, one of the book, in that chapter 5, he mentioned that how he faced as a advocate earlier with joining in 1950. He said when he argued this first matter, he lost that case. Then he said, failure are the better teacher than victories. Failure is a better teacher than victories. And ethics, diligence and humility matter most especially when no one's watching. So he appeared in number of cases of Nari Fadiman, Keshav Bharati case and A.D. Jabalpur case and Mineral Mills case. These all are the constitutional judgments. And TMA Pi Foundations and Union Carbide. In number of cases he appeared. The legal field advocacy refers to the art of pursuing decision maker, whether the judges, juries, government bodies or the public on behalf of the clients are a legal cause. It goes beyond the courtroom performance and includes the most important for the legal professional advocacy skill, legal research, oral and written arguments, clients representation, policy and public interest advocacy. Professional advocacy skills therefore are the core competence required to present the clients effectively and within the bonds and law of professional conduct. So legal research and analysis, knowing how to find the interrupt and apply the statute, case law and legal principle, anticipating the most of the advocates but suggest is to go to the BNSS. If you are practicing criminal, because I am a criminal side practice, advising you to criminal only. Generally we reads only IPC, earlier sections, IPC. But if you read at the same time, BNS or CRPC, or now BNSS, section 190 CRPC to 198, section 190 CRPC to 198. That sections say the limit barred by what is the bar for registering the affair. For example, I will say section 155 class 2. If you receive a complaint from any person, first you have to see whether it is a cognizable or non-cognizable. For non-cognizable, police has to obtain the permission from the magistrate for registering the FIR. Without obtaining permission, they can't proceed for investigation or register the FIR. That is said 155 class 2. Then only we have to see the whether police obtain permission. In number of cases in High Court, the advocates see the only whether they obtain the permission or not. If it permission not obtained, that can be directly quashed because it's a legal procedure. If anybody failed the procedure, there has to be quashed only. That is, they start to be quashed. Moreover, 197 CRPC I'm talking about CRPC. 197 says prosecution must obtain permission for registering the FIR against the government employee while discharging the duties. While discharging the government employees' duties, police can't no power to register the FIR directly. They have to obtain the permission under section 197. So CRPC also very important to as well as IPC. We both read together. When you become a good advocate, when you perfect on CRPC, now BNSS, you can get the knowledge from more in BNSS. What is law says, you can get from the BNSS. So advise all the students after completion of your, now for learning you have to conduct the, I request the management to conduct the moot courts and what is called, they send to the courts for observing the courts, moot courts and client clinics. That client is, you have to some in-person client clinics also you have to conduct. We can learn knowledge from that also. Now, the court also except from the advocate, expected the good judgments, good argument also from the advocates. Then only if we correct is given the suggestion to the court come to conclusion to pass a good order and correct order also. Sometimes if not, they support to the court, will not given any proper judgment. The court formally pass the orders on basic of the ingredients of the case, that's only. If you you give the proper judgments and assist the court also is easy to the court. The bench and bar relations also very important in the court. You have to respect the judges. Judges also expect from you. The client never interested in the, you know very well, the lawyer has to double responsibility. He has to protect his client interest. Lawyer has to protect the client interest. At the same time, he has to, client never, moreover in that very interesting, client never interested in the law and principles. He want to only, he has to win in the case. That's only. But if we advocate, at the same time we have to properly assist the court also. We have to protect our client. At the same time we have to protect the client also, and we have to suggest the court also. So these all are very crucial to the advocate. But very interesting, very interesting. When they are practicing, I am practicing criminal side. I am very enjoying the profession. That criminal side I am enjoying. Some persons are criminal side nowadays. Nowadays they are NCLT and labor laws. What is company acts? Now showing the interest their side. Number of nowadays who completed the law, they show the NCLT cases. But earlier civil cases and criminal cases, all which you have. Moreover, I am saying, in which subject you have interested, you go that side only. You don't mix all. If you are interested in civil side, you go from civil, completely civil side. If you are interested in criminal side, you come to the criminal side. You don't mix all those. That is my suggestion. Somebody interested only criminal side, because their family members or some friends, some other relatives practicing criminal side, they interested in the criminal side. Some persons are consumer forums, some persons in company matters like NCLT courts interested showing. You can practice that side, and some persons are taxations. So who are interested, you practice only that side. I am requesting you all. And moreover, the lawyer has to help the court with correct decision, but that is judgments. If you give right judgment, judges appreciate. In High Court, if you observe in High Court, sit in any court, the advocates get the orders showing only on the judgments, reported judgments. If you come to criminal side, Bhajan Lal guidelines is there. That is a constitutional bench. How to maintainable, court what to do. Courts of Supreme Court also suggest the courts to what court has to do, what should not do. So we have to, if you suggest, give the good judgments to the High Court, court appreciate. In number of courts, when I was assistant public prosecutor, if morning cases, every day appear nearly 200 to 250 cases, admission cases in that, 80-90 admission cases. Total 250 cases, we had nearly appeared with 30 judges. I worked with 30 judges. Some number of judges transferred, some judges are retired. So, you concentrate on searching and drafting when you have time. जब भी टाइम मिला, आप लाइब्रेरी में जाके बुक सर्च करिए, लाइब्रेरी में बैठ के पढ़िए, थोड़ा कोशिश करिए. ये आप जब पढ़ रहे हैं, आप ये ला कंप्लीट एग्ज़ाम्स पास होके आपको बाहर आए थे कि काम में आएगा. उसके बाद आपकी मेहनत, आप जो मेहनत करते वो मेहनत से आप ऊपर आएंगे. మీరు ఫస్ట్గా ఈ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు మీరు ఎంత కష్టపడితే అలా పైకి వస్తారు తప్ప, నేను చదువుకున్నా నాకు 90% మార్క్స్ వచ్చినాయి, నాకు ఈ మార్క్స్తో నాకు ఆర్డర్లు వస్తాయంటే ఆర్డర్లు రావు. आपको मार्क्स को देख के आर्डर्स नहीं आते. मेहनत करना है. एडवोकेट इज ऑलवेज लर्नर. जिंदगी भर पढ़ने का है, दूसरों के ऐसा पढ़ के छोड़ देने का नहीं है. ये एक ही प्रोफेशन है. जब तक आप प्रैक्टिस में है, पढ़ते ही रहना है, सर्च करते ही रहना है. ला प्रैक्टिस करना है तो ठीक है. सो हमेशा आपको जब भी टाइम मिले, आपको अगर मूड कोर्ट्स अटेंड होना है और अब कोर्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन को चाहिए, आप लोग थोड़ी देर कोर्ट में बैठिए. हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट बिफोर द कोर्ट. एडवोकेट्स आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग द कोर्ट बिफोर द जजेस. और उन लोग कौन से लीगल पॉइंट्स पे आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं, एक छोटी बुक रख लेते, आप वो पॉइंट्स नोट करिए. मैं जब स्टार्टिंग में बैठा तो पूरे जजमेंट्स नोट कर रहा था. अब नियरली मैं कहना 5 to 10,000 जजमेंट्स की इतने बड़े पेपर्स बुक्स है मेरे पास. जजेस पूछे विजारत आपके पास वो जजमेंट है ना, मतलब थोड़ा दियो जजेस. सो और एक बोलती हूँ, मैं एक कोर्ट में बैठा तो थोड़े पार्टी पर्सन्स भी आते हैं हाई कोर्ट में. एडवोकेट को इंगेज नहीं करते, वो एडवोकेट को इंगेज नहीं करते, वो लोग पार्टी पर्सन बोल के आते. शिवशंकर रावल की जज इज़ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. 1950 से लेके जब तक उन्हें बेंच पे बैठा, उस दिन के जज दिन तक ओरल नोटेड पेज नंबर के साथ बोलते थे वो। एक जने पार्ट इन पर्सन 498 केस में आया, आके वो बोला he filed 70 judgments, part in person filed 70 judgment before the court. Judge appreciated him. నువ్వు ఇవన్నీ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తే తెచ్చిన ఆయన జడ్జిమెంట్ అంటే, సార్ ఆ 6 months నుంచి నేను మీ కోర్టులోనే కూర్చొని మీ జడ్జిమెంట్స్ వింటున్నా। 6 महीने से वो कोर्ट में बैठ के वो जज बोले से जजमेंट्स लिख लेके यही जजमेंट को वो जज के सामने डाला। सो सर्चिंग, दैट्स मैं क्या बोलूँ उसका, सर्चिंग। उन्हें तो खाली क्लाइंट है, उसके केस के लिए उन्हें 70 सर्च करा। आप लाखों हजारों क्लाइंट्स के लिए लड़ने का रहता आप लोग को, आपको आपके पास जितने भी तो सबके लिए लड़ने का रहता, आपको सर्च करना है ला, कैसा सर्च करना, क्या करना। आज बहुत इजी हो गया ला, तो आप गूगल में जाओ, हर चीज़ में आपको मारते मिल जा रहा ला, आई रिक्वायर्ड सो एंड सो, ये ले लो, तो वो आपके केस को अट्रैक्ट होता या नहीं देख लेना, बस उतना ही। मोस्टली अब सेक्शंस पे 420 एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट 420 सेज, फ्रॉम द इंसेप्शन, इंटेंशन, प्रॉमिस, डिलीवरी, ये रहना है उसमें। ये 420 में है क्या नहीं देखो, बस सिंपल, पूरे मेरिट्स में जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। आपके केस में ये अट्रैक्ट नहीं हो रहा, माय लॉर्ड इन दिस माय केस दिस इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर नॉट अट्रैक्ट, देयर इज नो प्रॉमिस, no intention, no delivery, it can be quashed. Simple. ट्रायल कोर्ट में क्या करते हैं एडवोकेट्स, अब उन्हें पूरा पढ़ लेते, नोट्स बनाते, ठीक है, वो दैट इज यूजफुल फॉर योर ड्राफ्टिंग, द नोट्स यू कैन, इट इज यूजफुल फॉर ड्राफ्टिंग। एट द सेम टाइम आप ये CRPC BNSS जब पढ़ रहे तो आपको ईजी होता, ट्रायल में इजी होता आपको। मेरे सीनियर प्रताप रेड्डी 302 केस कर रहे हो, जनरली 302 में आपको मालूम एक आई विटनेस आया तो कम से कम 3-4 घंटे ले लेते एडवोकेट। मेरे सीनियर थे वो, जाके ये पूछे, वाइफ को पूछे, वो वाइफ आई विटनेस, एज पर दी चार्जशीट शी इज ए आई विटनेस। अम्मा तेरे हस्बैंड को भोगते वक्त तो वहाँ पे थे ना, स्टार्ट करा तो हाउस साहब में वहाँ पे थी, फिर आप क्या करें? जब मैं जाके उठा ली उनको, बहुत बचाने की कोशिश करी, बात कराई, मगर वो मर गया, वो मेरे गोद में मर गया। ओके अम्मा, आ गए वो, हम नायबाद ऑफिस में थे, सर अभी इतना ही बोल के छोड़ दिया ना। తెలుగు వాళ్ళు కూడా చెప్తాను, ఇది తెలుగు వాళ్ళు కూడా ఒక 302 మర్డర్ కేసులో ఐ విట్నెస్ భార్య, అతన్ని మా సీనియర్ అడుగుతున్నా నేను క్రాస్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు, అమ్మ నీ భర్తను చంపేటప్పుడు నువ్వు అక్కడే ఉన్నావు కదా, అక్కడే ఉన్నావు కదా అన్నది అది అడ్మిషన్, మనమే అడుగుతున్నాం. అవును సార్ నేను అక్కడే ఉన్నా, మరి నువ్వు ఏం చేసినావు? నా భర్తను పొడిచిన తర్వాత అతన్ని కాపాడే ప్రయత్నంలో అతని పైన కూడా తీసుకొని నేను బతికించే ప్రయత్నం చేసినా కానీ బతకలేదు. हम आगे साहब ने पूछे, साहब इतना बोल के छोड़ दिया, इतना सेंसेशनल केस, तो साहब बोले तुम लोग सर्च करो ला, बोले आपके हिसाब से इतना बोल के क्यों छोड़ेंगे? सोच सकते आप, सोचिए आप थोड़ा, आप तो सोचिए थोड़ा। तो मैं बोला सर को तो नहीं हो सका हमारे से पढ़ना, वो सर्च भी नहीं कर सके। जब उन्हें आर्ग्यूमेंट करते हो ये बोले उन्होंने, वो आई विटनेस के ऊपर जब हस्बैंड गिरा, उसका ब्लड उसके सारी को तो कपड़ा को तो लगा होगा, पुलिस नॉट सीज विद द स्टेन्स, ब्लड स्टेन्स एंड नॉट सेंट फॉर FSL. सो शी इज नॉट ए आई विटनेस, शी इज ए इंटरेस्टेड विटनेस बोल के प्रूव करे वहाँ पे। शी इज ए इंटरेस्टेड विटनेस, यू नो विटनेसेस, आई विटनेस, circumstantial witness and stock witness, interested witness. Stock witness always police रखते हैं लोग को, पुलिस जनरली ये कन्फेशन रिकवरी रहता ना, कन्फेशन एंड रिकवरी केसेस में पुलिस वाले क्या करते हैं, स्टॉक विटनेस रहते उनके पास, उन लोगों को रखते हैं, पेड नथिंग बट पेड है, बट वो क्या आके पुलिस वालों से काम आता करा लेते हैं. सो Trina too, she proved, our defense counsel proved that she is not a eyewitness. और आपको ये केसेस में क्या रहता, विटनेसेस ज़्यादा रहे तो केस वीक होता, विटनेसेस कम रहे तो केस स्ट्रांग रहता। कॉन्ट्राडिक्शंस आते हैं वहाँ पे, विटनेसेस ज़्यादा रहे तो। अब आप एक जब बोले साहब ने आके कुराड़ी से मारा, विटनेसेस ఎక్కువ ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది, కేస్ వీక్ అవుతుంది, విట్నెసెస్ తక్కువ ఉంటే స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే కాంట్రడిక్షన్స్ ఓమిషన్స్ వస్తుంటాయి. ఒకడు అంటాడు కట్టెతో కొట్టినట్టాడు, ఇంకోటి వచ్చి గొడ్డలతో కొట్టినట్టాడు, ఇంకోటి వచ్చి హాకీ బ్యాట్తో కొట్టినట్టు. అదే दोनों है समझो, सेम वर्ड्स रहते हैं दोनों के. तो एडवोकेसी दैट इज क्या है बोलते, ये भी स्किल में ही आएंगे आपको के कैसा क्रॉस करना, कैसा अचीव करना. ये कब मालूम होता आपको, बुक्स रेफर करे हो, साइटेशन देखो. आप कोई साइटेशन पढ़े तो कोर्ट एक्विट द एक्यूज ऑन विच ग्राउंड, कौन से ग्राउंड में एक्विट करी, whether court believe the words of the prosecution or whether believe the words of the defense counsel. कंक्लूजन जब आएंगे आपको, वो कंक्लूजन में लोग देंगे कि ऑन दीज ग्राउंड्स वी एक्विट द अक्यूज. सो ये आपको साइटेशन, मेरे सीनियर अपन जनरली क्या करते, केस हो गए बाद साइटेशन पढ़ते, ठीक है, केस करे बाद साइटेशन सर्च करते. उन्होंने क्या करते थे, साइटेशन पढ़ के उसके हिसाब से क्रॉस करते थे वो. दैट इज ऑल्सो आर्ट, वो भी एक आर्ट. क्रॉस कैसा करना, चीफ एग्जामिनेशन कैसा करना, ये पूरे आर्ट. ये बेसिकली अपन शुरू से सीखे तो एक अच्छा एडवोकेट बनते हैं. ये 3 साल भी वेस्ट करने का नहीं है आपको, ये 3 years भी आपको जब भी टाइम मिलता, अरे मेरे को वो क्रॉस तो करने का नहीं है, कोर्ट को जाने का नहीं है, मैं कई कुछ जजमेंट्स पढ़ूँ बोल के मत सोचो. आप लोग रोज़ एक जजमेंट 10-15 मिनट पढ़ लेते. आप व्हाट्सअप लेके बैठे तो 2 घंटे 3 घंटे ऐसे गुजर जाते खाली चार्ट करने में. एक 15 मिनट में जजमेंट पढ़ ले सकते हैं आप, 15 मिनट में जजमेंट पढ़ ले सकते हैं आप लोग. वो जजमेंट अब से आप पढ़े तो यू बिकेम ए गुड लॉयर. कौन सा भी सब्जेक्ट हो, देखो कौन सा भी सब्जेक्ट में आप साइटेशंस हो, ये सर्चिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू दी लॉयर्स. ये सर्च करने में आपको सर्च कैसा करना, कौन से पॉइंट्स पे करना, वो भी आपको इजी होगा. आप कभी टाइम मिले तो हाई कोर्ट को भी आइए, हाई कोर्ट की लाइब्रेरी देखिए आप लोग, और कोर्ट ऑब्जर्वेशंस को आप बुलाते हैं बच्चों को आप लोग नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में. ओके, तो जनरली आते रहते हैं हमारे पास, 1-5 वाले लोग सब आते रहते हैं. तो आए तो लोग सब कुछ एक कोर्ट में बिठाते हैं. एक तो उससे क्या होता, वो तो कोर्ट फेयर चला जाता, डर चला जाता कोर्ट का. एक तो कोर्ट का डर चला जाता आपको, हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट बिफोर द कोर्ट एक मालूम रहता आप लोग को. ये सब आपको प्रैक्टिकल में मिलेंगे, ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल प्रैक्टिस में मिलेंगे आपको ये सब. यहाँ पे आप यू कैन गेट दी सम नॉलेज अबाउट द लॉ, व्हाट इज द लॉ, व्हाट इज द, यहाँ पे सीख लेंगे आप. आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ योर एजुकेशन, यू जब शुरू होगा आपका मेहनत. अब थोड़े तो खाली पैशन को भी पढ़ने वाले हैं मेरे ख्याल से, ला कर लेके हम ला डिग्री बता लेने के वास्ते भी उन लोग के लिए तो तब कुछ नहीं कर, जो ला पे मैं ला करके प्रैक्टिस करना चाह रहे जो उन लोग तो डेफिनेटली हार्ड वर्क करिए आप लोग. ये करने से ही आपको फ्यूचर रहेगा. नाउ to be great advocate, combine knowledge with compassion, logic with clarity, confident with humanity. I have no doubt that many of you here will become a powerful voices for the truth, fairness and justice. I wish you all the very best in your future. Thank you so much.